Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to export Gantt chart to a PDF here in Zoho Projects. Alright, first up, go over to your projects right here. Select from one of your projects and just click on Access Project. And in here, we have the task. Make sure that you're under, Gantt. And once that's done, as you can see here, when we click on three dots, the only option you have is Export Task, and it will only be XLSX or CSV. Now, the tricky part in here is that we have here in this panel at the right side, you have here the three dots as well. And you have the Export to PDF option. So just click on it, wait for it to fully load. As it says here, Task Gantt, export is in progress. So let's just wait for the download button to pop up. All right, as you can see here, we now have a pop-up. So just save it wherever you want. Change the file name if you want to. And once done, just click on Save. And here we have it. Just click on it to open it up and you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.